Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is September 4th, and I'm currently in the Hawthorne Hills neighborhood, North Seattle. And this is a front lawn that I have just aerated, seeded, fertilized. And I put some enhanced lime on there too. Oh, and I also applied 50 pounds of a soil amendment to this. I double aerated the lawn. I'm trying to improve the soil here. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this property and see how it looks. Greg here is a property owner. He's a new property owner. I've worked for him once before. And he'll be watering every day, twice a day, for about 20 minutes each time for at least the next 3 weeks or so. And once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hello, my name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm on Greg's lawn. And Greg's lawn, I had aerated, seeded, fertilized, put on some soil amendment, and some lime on this. I did a lawn tune-up is what I call this, and threw in a few extra things there, and to bring this lawn back. Earlier in the year, this lawn was in just terrible condition, and this has just bounced back spectacularly. It does got one weak spot right here that has not germinated yet, but it looks like it's starting to right down in there now. And but I just wanted to show you my work. I'm in the Hawthorne Hills area here today, and I was just working for a few other neighbors here now, and just want to take a look at my work and just see how it's progressing. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, lawntuneups.com. And thanks for looking at my video. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. And I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is September 21st. And on September 4th, I had aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. And I was just looking at the way it came back here. I'm very, very happy with the results. And I had put on also some lime. And I put on a bag of soil amendment too. The amendment really helps. And sunny day. My phone's ringing off the hook here. And I'm in Hawthorne Hills neighborhood here, and this is Greg's lawn here. And I'm very happy for Greg and his family. This lawn just came back beautifully. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, lawntuneups.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.